You may notice some of the people in the audience with tears in their eyes. Your words have touched their spirit in helping them to heal. You may notice some of the people in the audience with smiles on their face, letting you know they love you and they enjoying your talk. Just see yourself concluding your talk, thanking the audience for the opportunity to share with them and to be with them. Picture yourself after the talk with smiling people coming up to you and thanking you. The people are telling you how much they enjoyed and how much they learned from your talk. As you see them shaking your hand or even hugging you, you realize that you did a really good job.